Hello. Well, I'm testing my helmet cam. I got a new little mic that came today, so I figured I'll test it out. Make another video. Jedi G-Chan, and mainly I'm gonna be filming or videoing my adjustment to having MECFS. So it slows you down. So if you want a high voltage channel, then you better change real quick. All right. Well, should I make this a short test, or should I keep on filming here? Okay. I'll do this. Hopefully you can see. I should probably pull this down a little. So this big blue box is a charger, charges DC batteries, and it's also an inverter where it takes the 12-volt battery DC and converts it to 110 AC. And okay, this is just a little fuse block I got here, and this is a MPPT 150 amp charge controller. So this takes in the electricity from the solar panels and puts it into the charger. And this up here is another one. This is the first one I ever bought. And like I said before, I don't know if I could twist enough. This is my battery bank. And I started building this winter. And I started out with one battery and one charge controller and one solar panel. And then I ended up putting them up there on the rafters. And this is all temporary experiment. And I started this winter, just mounting one and building up, especially since I can't lift and move much. So I guess that's about it so far today. I'm doing a little better, I guess. I cooked a steak and an egg and hash brown for breakfast, and I barely ate it. My taste buds kind of off. Anyway, so I've been watching a lot of stuff on MECFS or CFS, and they say one thing is protein. To eat more protein and less carbs. So this is going to be interesting. So anyway, I should mention this is my multi-tester to check the current and the voltage and the flow. And this is just a meter that's hooked up to the battery. And this tells me how many amps. In this case, it's going out. Voltage of the battery bank is 14.7, and it's 100%. And I was wrong. This 0.07 amps is actually coming in. It's not going out. So it's slowly charging my battery, and you can see this here charge controller is charging it. And I'm not doing it right now, but I was running my TV and everything here on the table off of the solar panels, off of the batteries that are charged by the solar panel. And then the inverter has converted it to 110. It takes a 12 volt, converts it to 110. And then when the batteries get low below a certain point, then the charger in here kicks in. And this is hooked up to 110 in order to run the charger to charge the batteries. All right. So you can see all my clutter, mess, and on good days it gets cleaned up some, and not so good days it just kind of builds up. Okay, I try to keep projects going because it makes it easier to deal with the MS. And bought some, I guess these are called selfie sticks for my cell phone. And alright, oh, and here's my, when I get out and it's real windy, that's my, what do they call that, a dead cat cover on the microphone. And over here is, oh, this is my little camera, a Caso. It's a cheap version of a, I haven't used it yet, or I used it, but I haven't been able to upload it because didn't have the right cables or something. But I got some new cables, and I got, which came today, and I got this one with adapters. Wow. So hopefully I could hook that up. Right now I have it hooked up for my cell phone to charge it. Alright. Alright. TV's on and warmed up if I want to watch YouTube. And over there you can see my little weather station. Sometimes that's probably not too good to have because I go, oh, it's 81, too hot, I'm not going to go out. And I make these excuses. Or, oh, it's too cold, no, I can't, too windy, Yeah, this ME is it's like Goldilocks syndrome. Everything has to be just right. Alright. On that note, I think I'm going to sign off for now.